Alright, the job is all done. So I just want to show how long it takes for me to wrap this up. Technically how long it takes for me to take it out also. But just want to show how long it takes to wrap up. I always try to fill my gas tanks up, tip them off. So basically this whole carousel, like I was saying in the beginning of the video, it breaks down. The way you can take the most weight off of it, get the lid off. That's a good, like I said, 45, 50 pounds right there. And then you have the drum. I'm gonna raise the safety. Actually, you got wheel safety right there. Okay. And this is another 60 pounds maybe right there. And then I can wheel it up to the whole carriage itself. Basically unlock the wheel. Okay.
You almost hit me. Why does it smell like gas?
I just put gas in. Then I lock my wheel. I just climb right back over.
Gas.
And once I get another van set up, I can
Not shit, guys.
have more space. Okay, so now reverse, place everything back together. Lock it down. Alright, that's locked in place. And then get my lid.
Be careful.
I am.
How much was this?
How much this equipment cost?
Yeah.
If you buy it cash, it's about $8,000.
$8,000?
$8,000 cash, yep.
Did you rent this?
No, I did not